If you have blackheads on the nose, you're gonna exfoliate. Now, if you have blackhead right here, you're looking to get rid of dull, rough looking skin. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we're going to exfoliate the skin. We are going to get rid of hyperpigmentation. We're going to get rid of dead skin cells. We're going to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. And if you're out there and you have acne on the skin, we're going to get rid of it. How are we going to get rid of this? We're going to be using a solution right here. Take a look at this, what I have here. This is what we're going to use. Now, if you're wondering, what is that? This is a mixture of a baking soda and castor oil. Now, the castor oil, guys, I grew up with that. Now, castor oil is amazing for the skin. It has so many therapeutic benefits. It helps to boost collagen and elastin in the skin. It helps to get rid of acne on the skin. It also helps to get rid of dead skin cells. It's helped to get rid of itchy skin. Help to get rid of dry skin. And guess what, guys? It is even good to use under your eyes to get rid of wrinkles under the eyes, dark under eye circles. This, guys, is a must try. Now, if you're out there and you're a little skeptical about, oh, the baking soda, if you don't want to use the baking soda, go ahead and blend some rice or blend some brown sugar. However, guys, the baking soda and the castor oil is what is doing the trick. This is such an amazing remedy that if you find that you have any form of a eczema, any form of an itchy skin, you can take this, you can put a little bit on it, rub it in like this, put a band-aid over it, and use a treatment for 2 to 3 weeks. Just come back and tell me what happened. But I'm going to use it to exfoliate my face today. So if you're interested in this video, continue watching. Watch to the end because that's where I am going to do the live demonstration. Now, our first ingredient is going to be baking soda. And baking soda make a great exfoliator for your skin. The granules are very, very fine, making it a perfect for most skin type. Baking soda, when mixed with other ingredients, can create a very powerful facial exfoliator. However, guys, there's another thing about baking soda that you might not be aware of, is that baking soda help to get rid of a skin irritation. It help to get rid of a sunburn. Baking soda also help to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin. So what I'm going to do with this baking soda, I'm just going to break it up a little, and this is about a tablespoon of baking soda. So we're just going to break up the lumps a little bit. And once that is done, I'll take a look at my next ingredient. This is a Jamaican black castor oil. Now you might be wondering, baking soda and castor oil? Oh my goodness, guys. If only I had shared this recipe with you before. Now when you mix castor oil with baking soda and you use it on the skin, it's not only going to reduce wrinkles and fine lines, it's not only going to clear hyperpigmentation on the skin, but it's also going to get rid of blackheads and whiteheads. And did I ever talk about acne, guys? If you know anyone out there with acne, this is the recipe, because castor oil, when used on the skin, have to get rid of all the bacteria from the skin. This is a very powerful oil to use. And not only that, guys, castor oil is known as nature Botox. What do I mean by that? Because it helps to plump the skin, it helps to boost collagen and elastin. It helps to get rid of rashes on the skin. If you have a little rash anywhere on your skin, just mix some baking soda with castor oil and put it on your skin. Put a band-aid over it and do it for, 2 to 3 weeks or so, and you'll be blown away how much it just clear up all the little rashes. So if you have hyperpigmentation, acne, all of that kind of skin issue, try some castor oil. So what I'm going to do with the castor oil, and another thing I need to tell you about castor oil is that I grew up on castor oil. My grandma used to give us about a teaspoon of this castor oil to take, especially when we're going back to school. Now, anything you're going to take, please consult your doctor. Another thing is that castor oil is great for your hair. So use it in your hair, and if you check out the Khichi Beauty skincare product, you're going to find that we squeeze a little castor oil in some of our products because because I so believe in this castor oil. Good for stretch marks, good for varicose vein, you name it. Today we're going to use it to exfoliate the skin. So we're just making this into a paste. We have the castor oil and the baking soda. Now, one of the reasons why I think a lot of people kind of shun away from castor oil is because of the scent of it. It don't have really a pleasant scent, but it is good. And it doesn't matter which of the castor oil you're going to use, whether you're going to use the white one or the black one. I just grew up on the Jamaican black castor oil, so I tend to gravitate towards it. So now that we have the castor oil and the baking soda, so this is the paste I was telling you about that you can actually make to put on any little spots, any little rashes, any hyperpigmentation that you have on the skin. Not only that, also if you have acne prone skin, just take this little paste and rub it over the skin and leave it on the skin for a couple of minutes, like about 30 minutes to an hour, and you rinse off. If you can sleep with this on, sleep with it on, amazing. So that's just a tip out there for you. So we have the baking soda and the castor oil. And what I'm going to do, I'm just going to add one more oil to this, just a little bit of oil. We are exfoliating the skin. We're just diluting the castor oil a little bit. So I'm going to add a little bit of a grapeseed oil to the mixture, not a lot, about a half a teaspoon or so of the grapeseed oil. And grapeseed oil is a very, very light oil. It will not clog the pores, and it is good for most skin type. So here we have our baking soda and castor oil with a little bit of a grapeseed oil, and this is what we're going to use to exfoliate the skin. So do not go away, continue washing for the live demonstration. So there's about a half a teaspoon of the mixture, and you can go ahead and you can wet your skin. I personally don't wet my skin before I start. I just put it in my hands like this, and then I exfoliate my skin with it. If it feels a little dry, as I said, you can go ahead and you can wet your skin. But I personally like to use it dry. It's like I'm dry brushing my skin, okay? So this, if you have blackheads on the nose, you're going to exfoliate. Now, if you have blackhead right here, you're looking to get rid of dull, rough looking skin. You're looking to brighten the skin. And this is also good for your lip score. So go ahead and exfoliate your lips with it. We're using baking soda and castor oil mixed with a little bit of a grapeseed oil. Go down on the neck and décolleté with it. Circular motion, circular motion. Watch the neck and décolleté, and back to the face, back to the décolleté, guys. And don't forget, this is also good for your hands. Now, as I said, I grew up using castor oil. My grandma is the one that started us off with castor oil at a young age. And another thing that we normally make is a little bit of a castor oil and Vaseline. Wait for that video, guys. I'll make the video for you. If you're looking for smooth skin, take a look at my skin, guys. Take a look at my skin. I use castor oil all over my skin. And as I was saying earlier in the video, if you check out some of the Khichi Beauty skincare products, we put castor oil in it because that's one ingredient that I wanted to put in my products. Smooth, clear, glowing skin. So now let me just rinse off and come back and show you my result. My result, however, guys, is because I've been using it. So for you that is just starting out, you got to use it for a couple of weeks to get to my result, but you won't regret it. Don't sleep on this castor oil. Another thing, guys, when it comes onto your stomach, use this on your stomach to exfoliate your stomach in circular motion. This is also going to help to get rid of all those belly fat. And if you have stretch marks on your stomach, just exfoliate your stomach with this. Now, let me go rinse off and I'll be back.